In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create financial dashboard in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, automatic snapshot of your money that updates itself as you log income and expenses. We'll keep the structure simple so it's easy to maintain. First, create 3 tabs. Name the first one Income. In row 1, add 3 headers: date, source, and amount. Date is when you received the money, source is where it came from, and amount is the dollar value. Format the date column as a date and the amount column as currency so your figures are consistent and readable. Freezing the header row will keep those labels visible as your list grows. Then create a second tab called Expenses. Use the same idea, 3 headers in row 1, date, category, and amount. Category might be things like rent, groceries, or transportation. Again, format date and amount properly. As a helpful habit, enter expense amounts as positive numbers. We'll handle the math on the dashboard. The third tab is your dashboard. This is where you'll visualize the totals. Now let's build the summary table on the dashboard, which acts like the engine of your financial view. In column A, list the metrics you want to see: total income, total expenses, net cash flow, and savings rate percent. In column B, write the formulas. For total income, use XSUM income CC. This adds up every number in the amount column on your income tab. For total expenses, use XSUM expenses CC. That pulls the total of your expense amounts. If your headers are in row 1 and you prefer to skip them, you can change CC to C2C, but Google Sheets will ignore text in the header, so the whole column reference is fine. Next, calculate net cash flow by subtracting expenses from income with int B2, B3, assuming B2 holds total income and B3 holds total expenses. This tells you how much you're keeping after spending. Finally, calculate savings rate percent with EB4, B2, which divides your net cash flow by your total income. Format B2 through B4 as currency and B5 as a percentage so everything reads clearly. As you add transactions to the income and expenses tabs, these numbers will update in real time. For example, you might see total income of 5,000, total expenses of 3,200, net cash flow of 1,800, and a savings rate of 36%. That immediate feedback helps you spot trends, adjust spending, and stay accountable. That's it, a tidy, dependable financial dashboard. Keep your categories consistent, enter dates accurately, and your dashboard will remain trustworthy and effortless to use.